Alright, check this out. If you have a newer style BMW and you have the electronic parking brake, you're going to be doing some rear brakes on it, you have to put it into service mode or retract the electronic parking brake. You don't want to mess something up. There is other ways to do this. You can remove the electronic parking brake motor and unwind the electronic parking brake aspect of the caliper, although it's kind of a hack way to do it and you could mess something else up. Or you can put voltage to the motor itself, 12 volts and a ground. But again, you can mess up the caliper and it's not the right way to do it. It's kind of a hack way to do it. I have done it before. I don't like doing it. I'd rather do it the correct way. The easiest way that I have found to do this is with one of these small scan tools. Now you can get these pretty cheap. This one's made by Ancel. No one sent this to me. I bought this with my own money and I've used these on other vehicles. I've used them on a Volvo and a Volkswagen. Now you have to get a different tool for the different brand of vehicle. This one is BMW specific. All of these tools will be linked in the description if you're interested. Now I'm going to show you how to retract the electronic parking brake with this tool. All right, EPB reset. Okay. All right, activate installation position. And there it goes. It's retracting the electronic parking brake. Click OK. Alright, now we're going to disconnect the tool and turn the key off. Now we're able to change the brake pads just like doing a regular brake job. After that's all together on both sides, then you're going to go inside the car and recalibrate the electronic parking brake. You're going to take it out of maintenance mode. We're going to turn the key on, push the start button 3 times fast. Keys in the on position. And we already activated it, so now we want to deactivate. Hit OK. All the brakes are all back together. Make sure the calipers are on. Hit OK. That reset the electronic parking brake. OK. Service function finished. OK. Now we can back out of there. We'll just take the tool out. You can see this is the Volvo one. This one was a little more expensive. The BMW one was a little more affordable. Either way, this is better than buying a $1,000 plus scan tool just so you can do all the vehicles. If you have the BMW, get the BMW one or the other brand of vehicle that you have. So I hope this video helped you out. Again, this tool is linked in the description if you're interested. Get this versus hacking your car. Don't break anything. Do it the right way. Thanks.